Hello guys, today we will be learning about insertion sort. So what is an insertion sort? Let's begin. So we can see the array in the screen 9, 7, 6, 8, 4, 5, 2, 3. This array is divided into two parts. In insertion sort, we divided the array into two parts. One is sorted and another is unsorted. So what is the main aim of dividing this array? The main aim is to move the unsorted elements of unsorted part to the sorted parts. How this we will move there, that we will write code for this. Now, what is the method? What is the process? How it will be moved? What is the thinking? What is the logic behind moving the elements of sorted part to the sorted parts? So first we will pick up the elements as we have divided into sorted and unsorted. So index 0 will be this will be called the sorted and this will be unsorted. So we will move elements from unsorted part. Let's take the seventh and 7 element, which is at index I is equal to 1. We will first compare it with 9. As 7 is less than 9, so 7 should come before 9. So we will write the code in such a way that 7 should come before 9. Then what will be the further what we will do is that we will compare 6 with 9 and then 7. As 6 is less than 9 and 7, so 6 should move here. So the final array should become here, this. Then we will compare the elements 8 with all the elements which are in the sorted array. Then 8 should come to its corrected position according to the ascending order here. Then we will compare 4, 5, 2, 2. Up till we have to compare up till 9, up till 2, because 3 will be sorted automatically. So this is the main logic behind how we will sort the array. Then we will now understand the code of this array. Let's begin the code. First, we will run a for loop. For loop for what? For int is equal to for int I equals to 1. Why we have here taken I equals to 1? Because as we have divided the array into sorted and unsorted part. In sorted part, the array, the index starts from 0, but in unsorted parts, the index starts from 1. I is equal to 1. We have to compare 7 with 9. So we have to compare. So that's why we have set I equals to 1. And I less than array dot length I plus plus. Here we will create an temporary variable equals to array dot I. Why we have created the temporary variable, I will explain later on. Int temp equals to array I. Let's I will not confuse. Let's take the code without the temp variable. So I will explain without the temp variable. Then I will explain why there is the need of the temporary variable array equal to I. Then we will run a j loop. Int j equals to I. Then how, according to you, from where we have to start the j? Let's see. We have to suppose in this array, we have to compare 8 with the 9, 6, 7. First we will compare 8 with 9. Let's suppose this is I, then this is I minus 1. So we will start our j from I minus 1 and move until 0, until it becomes 0. So int j is equal to I minus 1, j less than j greater than or equal to 0, until we have to reduce it. Reduce the j, we have to decrement the j. Then j, then we will run a condition. Which condition? If array of j, what is array of j? Here, if array of j, this is array of j, it is greater than array of I, then we have to move 8, then we have to move 8 before the 9. So this is the condition we have to run. As we have seen that we have to create the type of variable, the reason I will explain is here. Let's suppose this is an I. We write the code if array of j is greater than array of 9, array of I. Then when we will shift the 9 to the right part, then array of I will become array of is equal to 9. Then array of I will become array of 9, as it will change the position because we are shifting the 9 to the right. So we have to create a temp variable so that there's not the change of the variable of array of I. So what we will do is that we will create a temp variable, temporary variable, in temp equals to array of I. So array of I is greater than temp. Then we will run a condition that array of j plus 1 will become array of j, because we are shifting the element to by one position, and array of j will become temporary variable. Hope you understand this code, and we will run the code. We will run the code for any example, that 3512989. So that's the solution. Hope you guys understand this code. Hope you will learn about this code clearly. If you are not able to understand this code clearly, then you can see this video again. Thank you.